Now, new at 6, some parents in Hartford are complaining tonight because a teacher isn't being promoted like they believe he should be. They're so upset over it, they're holding a walkout tomorrow afternoon. Channel 3's Courtney Zeller looked into this, and she's joining us live from Hartford now with what she's learned. Courtney.
Well, Denise, we're told this head teacher has been taking on the role of assistant principal for quite some time now. So parents say they want the school district to change their mind, put him in this position, not someone else. Some parents whose children attend the Joseph S. Renzulli Gifted and Talented Academy in Hartford aren't happy about their beloved lead teacher not officially taking on more of a school role.
He's that one caring adult for so many of the kids in the school who either have intact families and have that support as well as, and especially the kids, high-need kids that don't.
The head teacher, Freddie DeJesus, has been in the role of assistant principal for the past few years. Hartford Public Schools tells us they posted the assistant principal job and through a selection process chose another candidate. But it wasn't public knowledge. The district tells us one or more people involved in the process inappropriately and prematurely shared information about the selection process. We are now just finalizing our decision as to the assistant principal who will be assigned to the academy. But that decision isn't sitting well with parents.
They are replacing Mr. DeJesus. There was no communications to the parents. He has acted in the lead position for over 2 years, and they have a new person coming in, and to my knowledge, that person does not have any experience with the gifted and talented.
Some students are upset over it too, as this is a photo a parent showed us from inside the school. Students posted on their locker, "Save Mr. DeJesus." The Renzulli Academy is for 4th to 8th graders. Hartford Public Schools tells us they are looking to expand the academy in the future.
It's just simply outrageous, and he's someone that they should want to have here. They should be listening to parents. You know, these are the future of our city. These are the future leaders of our city, these kids. And to have someone so remarkable like Mr. DeJesus to lead them, they couldn't be luckier.
We reached out to DeJesus, but we didn't hear back today. Now, the school district says his role at the school will be determined. By the way, that walkout is tomorrow starting at noon. We're live at the mobile newsroom tonight from Hartford. Courtney Zeller, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.